Up there? I got you. Fuck. God damn it, Dylan.
I gotta tell you, that looks cool as all get out.
That was probably the dumbest thing I just did, huh?
Pretty much. Because while you're on one wheel, you could be charged with reckless driving.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because
shit.
you're not in absolute control of this motorcycle. So while you're looking cool going down the road, if a car comes up, you hit that car.
It's a reckless driving ticket?
You will go to jail for that. Yeah.
Shit. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me if you're in control when you're on one wheel.
No, not full control.
Watching you do this, trying to maintain it. It looks cool as all get out. Give you that. I've rode dirt bikes since I was a kid. I can't ride a wheelie like that. So it looks cool. Is it worth an 8-point ticket on your license?
8 points?
A reckless driving's 8 points.
Oh my god.
How much do you pay for insurance?
I pay like $30 right now.
Okay, well you'd pay about $300 for that.
Wow.
All right, and then good luck trying to get coverage. All right, the insurance company, they'll run your name through MVD, and they see that conviction for reckless driving. Good luck. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Oh, okay, then add your age to that. Okay, we have been getting, for the last several years, a whole lot of motorcycle fatalities. Okay.
I've lost at least 3 friends in the past 2 years.
Okay.
Do you mind if I get off?
No, you're good. Was speed a factor in their wrecks, or did someone pull out in front of them?
1 was speed factor and 2 was pullouts.
Okay. All right. I've been on that police bike for 22 years. Okay. There's a place, a location, and time to have fun with it. Out here on the main roads, it's not worth your life.
Is it allowed in, like, let's say you go to like a stunt lot or like an empty abandoned place? Is it allowed there, or?
Yeah, just not on a public roadway.
Okay.
Or anything goes wrong. Even cars coming up, if they happen to come up beside you, you know, gawking at you because you look cool, and they drift into you. All right. The worst part about stunts on the road, if someone gets killed, we have to go to their loved ones.
And then it's my fault?
Your loved one's dead because they were being stupid. Okay? It's not worth it. All right? I'm not going to ding you up with a ticket. All right? So take this as a
100%.
Don't do it.
Won't do it again.
Okay, bud? All right, you're 21 years old. Your life hasn't even begun yet. It's bad enough that I'm on this trying to do enforcement and people don't see me and my motorcycle says police all over it. Okay?
This is usually the most noticeable one.
Oh yeah. Okay? So with you doing that, they're not going to pay attention to you. All right? They're going to pull alongside and, ooh, that's cool, and then call 911. We got a joker riding wheelies down the roadway. Okay? And then once that complaint comes in, if we find you, then we'll hammer you. Okay? It's not worth it.
Okay.
It looks cool. I got to give you that. Do it. And I've been riding a long time, so I mean, the odds are already against me. All right, but on this thin profile bike, they're definitely not going to see you. All right, so you really have to ride in that defensive mode and expect people to do the dumbest things around you because they just don't see you. They're not conditioned to see us on 2 wheels. All right, they are conditioned to see 4-wheel cars. They don't see us. They don't see me. All right, I work 4-day weeks. At least once or twice a week, I get close calls. All right, I have ABS. You don't. Okay, so at least I have that. If I go to...
Now you can stop on a dime. I'll like wash out and that'd be really bad.
Yeah. So do me a favor, man. Please be careful out there.
I will.
All right? I don't want to show up and recognize the bike because something...
Yeah, mine's pretty recognizable.
Especially if anything foolish happens.
Okay.
I mean, it's one thing that these people don't see us and then they pull a movement and we get hurt. But man, don't let it be your fault because I have to tell your family.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be the one to tell the family either.
Right to the point he killed himself. Okay? So it's not worth it. Okay?
Alright, thank you very much.
No worries. No worries. Off to you guys. Come on.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Yeah, thank you.
No worries, man.
Anyway.
Hey man, it's good to keep the rubber side down though.
Yes sir, yes sir.
You gotta unfortunately be on the lookout for folks like that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I was in Polk County not that long ago, and the cop claimed that I did a wheelie, which I don't do. Definitely not on purpose.
Right.
And I took it to court, you know, because I had to dispute it, you know, I had to defend myself.
There you go.
So.
That's right.
Yeah. But we ride what we like, you know. We're just the kind of bike that, unfortunately, they have bad reputations. The guys that do the wheelies and all the crazy stuff, they do it on these bikes.
That's right.
We ride them because we're old men and they don't weigh very much. Right. We're not very strong anymore.
I heard that.
You know it.
I used to ride myself. Like I said, I supervise our motorcycle unit here in Plant City.
Oh, okay. So you're the man now.
We got Harley.
Well, it used to be Eckert. Eckert, I guess, back in the day.
Was my partner.
That's how I met Eckert. Was in 2004 when I moved to the city of Plant City. He was on. He was in a patrol car because his bike was being serviced. Okay. And I don't see him much, but if we met right now, you know, oh, how you doing? Yeah. I ain't saying we break bread together regularly, but you know, we know each other. And we used to ride. I rode my civilian motorcycle. He rode his work bike through town, and we'd go get lunch, and you know.
Yeah, that was back when we were young cats. I still ride.
I
don't ride actively every day.
But you do ride a patrol bike?
Yeah.
Y'all got some nice bikes.
Yeah, we just.
Those things are nice.
We just got some electric.
You had the Victory before that, didn't you?
Sucked.
You didn't like those? Yeah.
They rode okay. They were comfortable, not as hot.
Yeah.
As Harley and all that, but we couldn't keep them out of the shop.
Yeah.
They're horrible on clutches.
That's a shame. That's a shame.
But a very comfortable bike.
Yeah.
You know, and not very maneuverable because when we do our training and cone rides and stuff like that.
Yeah.
A lot of
Oh my God. Oh my God.
la 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 la